Best Designed Site. Beautiful design that masterfully blends the physical reality of the customer with the digital reality on their website. It is rare to see web solutions that reflect their client's reality this well. Screenmedia's integration of brand visuals throughout this webpage is truly impressive. The site clearly explains the proposition, the UX is on point, and the brand detail across the site and pages give it that extra magic that you don't often see in the financial sector space. This website beautifully articulates Thredd's brand in a digital solution with an interface that is intuitive and engaging. DEPT's incorporation of brand visuals into the website's storytelling creates a powerful connection between the product and its online representation. Using the lines of the charging station roof as a brand element brings a lovely and subtle motion.